Snow on my TV set. A little corrosion in the circuitry. Playing Pong on a color TV. With the basement and the lava lamp and the plastic veneer. Gone are the days of the phone answering machine. Record my messages on a tiny cassette. With a plastic phone and no internet. The basement with the plastic veneer. The TVs got better, the phones got smaller, and we carried the answers in our pocket articles. I still remember when the analog signal caught a little static and it was beautiful. Snowstorm on my color TV. And we watched Barney Fife and we watched Barney Miller. Midnight Express and the Zodiac Killer. And the analog signal caught a little static. And it was beautiful. Now I'm just shifting gears. This automatic has left me feeling empty. We got all the answers at our fingertips. We got no need to think or shift. And I miss that ping pong table. I'd like to go back if I was able. And the TVs got better, the phones got smaller, and we carried the answers in our pocket articles. I still remember when the analog signal caught a little static and it was beautiful. Snowstorm on my color TV.